morning, student. Today I am continuing the statement problems on quadratic equation. Okay, in the last class we are solved so many problems related to money matter and two-digit number like that. Now today I have taken problems on speed and time. Problems on speed and time. Look at that. A bus travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 75 km. A bus travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 75 km and then travels a distance of 90 km. And then travels a distance of 90 km at an average speed of 10 km per hour more than the first speed. 10 km per hour more than the first speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, if it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, find its original speed. Okay, now here this is the statement. Clear? Now here a bus traveling at a certain average speed to cover a distance of 75. Here two things. One is 75 kilometers, that is total distance. Solution. Total distance D equals 75 plus 90. So this is how much? 5. 9 plus 7, 16 kilometers. So this is the total distance traveled by the bus. Now what they asked, find its original speed. Now how to take this? Let the original speed, let the original speed be x kilometer per hour. Let us take the original speed of the bus. Let the original speed be x kilometer per hour. So here you know that in physics s is equal to d by t. That means speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Now let the original speed be x kilometer per hour. Now coming to the first part. Here a bus travels at a certain average speed. Okay, now average speed, we don't know that, for a distance 75 km, right? And then travels a distance of 90 km. Now first thing is, the bus speed is x km per hour. Then to travel 75, what is the time taken? Now here is t is equal to d by s. You should take now this. Now, time taken to travel 75 km. So that is given by, what is the distance is 75 and what is the time is x kilometer per hour. So here this is d kilometers and this is the speed. Now second one, the distance of 90 km at an average speed of 10 km per hour more than the first speed. Here the first speed is x we are taken. So 10 km more. Okay. 10 kilometer more is x plus 10. Okay, then this is the first one, and the second one, time taken. Time taken to travel 90 kilometers is equal to 90 by x plus 10. Are you followed? First, let us take the original speed be x kilometer per hour. Then time taken to travel 75 kilometer, that is given by 75 by x. Then 10 kilometer more for the second journey, 90 kilometers. It takes 10 kilometer more speed than the first one. For example, if the first speed is 50 kilometer per hour, then 10 kilometer more means 50 plus 10, 60 kilometer per hour. So this is the, here that 50 we don't know that, that's why we have taken that as x. Yeah. Now this is the time taken. Now look at this. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey. Total journey means this and this. This is the time taken. T, 1t, and here is the second time. So both the time taken. I am writing the problem here. This is okay. So total time taken is equal to 3 hours. Okay. Now total time means first one is 75 by x plus 90 by x plus 10 is equal to 3. Clear? This is the way to convert the statement word problem into equation form. Now LCM is x into x plus 10, then cross multiplication 75 into x plus 10 plus 90 into x is equal to 3. Now next is, we are continuing the continuation of this. 75x plus 750 plus 90x is equal to, now cross multiply this, 3x into x plus 10. Look at this. Clear this? 3x into x plus 10. Now 75 and 90. 5. 9 plus 7 is 16. 165x plus 750. Now here 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 10, 30x. Now the equation form is 3x square plus 30x minus 165x plus 750 is equal to 0. Yeah. Now here is 3x square minus, here is plus and minus, 160 minus 30 is 135, x plus 750 equals 0. So here is the standard form. Now, is it possible to divide this by 3? Now, on dividing by 3, what you are going to get? x square minus 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 5s are 15 plus 3 2s are 6, 1, 3 5s are 15, 0 equals 0. Now the simplest equation form is this. Now the product is 250, their sum is 45, plus and here is minus. So you should take both the minus minus. Okay, what is the product of the two numbers gives 250. Product of two numbers is 250. And here is one thing. Here when we shift this to this side, so it becomes minus. So here is minus, here is minus. So product is this. So the two numbers are 50 and 5. So I am going to bring this. So x square minus 50x plus 5x minus 250 equals 0. Now x comma x minus 50 plus 5 comma x minus 50 equals 0. So x minus 50 into x plus 5 equals 0. So two roots are x is equal to 50 and x is equal to minus 5. The speed cannot be negative. The speed cannot be negative. Therefore, the original speed of the bus is 50 kilometer per hour. So this is the problem. Clear? Now take the second one related to problems based on speed and time. If a man walks 1 kilometer per hour faster than his usual speed. A man walks 1 kilometer per hour faster than his usual speed. Then he covers a distance of 3 kilometers in 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes less time. 15 minutes less time. See here, the total distance is 3 kilometers. For example, you are walking in a normal speed, then time is short. So what to do to reach your school? That means to catch the bus, you should speed up walking. You should walk fast, right? So here you are walking faster than his usual speed, so you will reach the school 15 minutes less. That means just compare with your daily life. Okay, you are coming to school from your home by walking, right, to catch the bus. One day it is late, right? So to catch the bus, you should fast your walking, right? Clear? So like that, here a man walks 1 kilometer per hour faster than his usual speed. Then he covers a distance of 3 kilometers in 15 minutes less. 15 minutes less. Right? Now convert this 15 minutes into hours. So 15 minutes into hours means 15 by 60, that is 1 by 4. This is minute to hours. Right. Now find his usual speed. Now solution. Man's let man's usual speed be x kilometer per hour. Then time taken to cover a distance of 3 kilometer is equal to 3 by x, that is d by s. T is equal to d by s. Now man walks 1 kilometer per hour faster. Now speed increased. Speed increased by 1 kilometer per hour. That is x plus 1. This is the increased speed. Now for increased speed, time taken equals 3 by x plus 1. Now look at this. This is what the original time, what you are taking to reach the school. Now when you are making your walk faster, then you are walking faster, then you are taking a 15 minutes less. So this is the time taken when your speed is increased. This time is equal to 15 minutes less than this time. So according to statement, so what you can write is 3 by x plus 1 is equal to 3 by x minus 1 by 4. So this is very, very important. When the speed is increased, the time taken is 3 by x plus 1. This time is 15 minutes less than the original one. Okay, now converting this, shift this one to that side. So it becomes 3 by x minus 3 by x plus 1 is equal to, this minus 1 by 4 shifted to that side. So it becomes 1 by 4. Now taking LCM, writing here, x into x plus 1. So cross multiplication, 3 into x plus 1 minus 3 into x is equal to 1 by 4. Now 3 into x, 3x plus 3 minus 3x by x squared plus x is equal to 1 by 4. Here 3x get cancelled. Now continuation of this, cross multiplication, 3 4s are 12 and x square plus x is x square plus x is equal to 12, or x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the standard equation. Clear? Let man's usual speed be x kilometer per hour. Time taken to cover a distance of 3 kilometer is 3 by x hours. Then speed increased by 1 kilometer per hour. Here is 1 kilometer per hour means x plus 1. Then time taken is equal to 3 by x plus 1. So then here is, according to statement, this time is 150 means less than this time. This is very important. This is the statement. Then simplification. So look at this. After this, you should write this. Then coming to here. So here is. Then after this, here, this is the one quadratic equation. Now on simplifying, what you will get? X square plus 4x minus 3x is equal to 0. So x plus 4 into x minus 3 equals 0. Minus 12 equals 0. Now on taking x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to plus 3. So this cannot be possible. This is the answer. So man's usual speed. Therefore, man's usual speed or normal speed is 3 km per hour. Because speed cannot be negative. Clear this? So look at it carefully. So after this, here is this, then this one, here is one quadratic equation, factorization and simplification. So answer is this. Clear? Now let us take the third one. A motor boat whose speed in still water is 24 km per hour takes 1 hour more to go 32 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. So this is the problem related on speed and time. So you are familiar with this. So this is the current of water. It is flowing like this downside. So when you are swimming along with the current, then your speed is more. Okay. If you are swimming against the current, are you swimming faster than the first one? No. So like that, here a boat in still water. So speed in still water. So solution. Speed of motor boat in still water is equal to 24 km per hour. Let us take a speed. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour. Then speed speed of the boat, speed of the boat upstream. So when you are going against the current, your speed decreases. So it becomes 24 minus x. 24 minus x. Then speed of the boat downstream. So it is adding speed of the boat plus speed, kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. Now the time taken or the kilometer is 32, distance is 32. So time taken, is it right? So time taken is time taken by boat in upstream equals 32 by 24 minus x. Then time taken by the boat in the downstream, equals 32 by 24 plus x. Clear? Now, so according to statement, it takes 1 hour more to go 32 kilometer upstream than return downstream. So here this is 32 by 24 minus x. This is the downstream time. This time is equal to 32 by 24 plus x plus 1. See, here is 1 hour more. So what's the time taken by the boat in the downstream? For that, for example, if the boat is taking 5 hours, then the boat, when it is going upstream, it takes 1 hour more than this. Clear? So now shifting this 32 by 24 minus x minus 32 by 24 plus x is equal to 1. So here is a very important one, the statement. Now LCM is what? 24 minus x into 24 plus x. So cross multiplication, 32 into 24 plus x minus 32 into 24 minus x is equal to 1. So, on simplifying, 32 into 24, you write down as it is 32 into 24 plus 32x minus 32 into 24 plus 32x whole divided by, this is 24 square minus x square is equal to 1. Why I have written this in this form? Because this is a minus b into a plus b form. So I have written this as 24 square minus x square. Here look at this, 32 into 24 plus this, here is a minus. Clear? Now, developing this statement and this one also. Now left out is what? 64x is equal to 24 square. So take the square of 24. 24 into 24. 4 4 are 16, 1, 9, 8, 4, 6, 7, 1, 576. 576 minus x square. Now shift to this side, x square plus 64x minus 576 is equal to 0. Here is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Okay. Now, what are the two factors for this? Here, minus and plus. You know the factorization method, you go like that. 576. You go on dividing like this. So, the two numbers are 72 and 8. X square plus 72x minus 8x minus 576 is equal to 0. Continuing this, here x comma x plus 72 minus 8 comma x plus 72 equals 0. Now x plus 72 into x minus 8 equals 0. So x is equal to minus 72. So cannot be negative. X is equal to 8. Therefore, the speed of the stream the speed of the stream is 8 kilometer per hour. The speed of the stream is 8 kilometer per hour. Clear? This is regarding the speed and time. Speed and time. Clear?